Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage inflation risks with Goldman Sachs, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to manage inflation risks using strategies from Goldman Sachs. Begin by understanding what inflation is and how it affects your investments. Research historical inflation rates and their impact on various asset classes. Identify your investment goals and time horizon to tailor your approach. Start by diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes. Consider incorporating real assets like real estate and commodities, which often perform well during inflationary periods. Review Treasury inflation-protected securities, commonly known as TIPS. These bonds are designed to protect against inflation, as their principal value increases with rising prices. Evaluate the benefits of equities, particularly companies with strong pricing power. Invest in sectors that typically thrive in inflationary environments, such as energy and materials. Maintain a cash buffer for flexibility, allowing you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Keep an eye on interest rates, as they can influence the effectiveness of your strategies. Consider alternative investments, such as private equity or venture capital, which may offer inflation protection. Leverage inflation hedging strategies through options and futures contracts. Engage in regular portfolio reviews to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice based on your unique situation. Stay informed about economic indicators that could signal inflationary trends. Utilize research and insights from Goldman Sachs to enhance your understanding of market dynamics. Implement these strategies holistically to create a comprehensive inflation management plan. Monitor your progress and adapt your strategies as needed. By taking these steps, you can effectively manage inflation risks and safeguard your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.